Guys, welcome back to a new vlog, and sadly we go home today. Our last breakfast for here. Why can't we just stay here for an extra month and never come home? What is that, salt? Don't put pepper on it. Why do you always put pepper on everything? Ew. We're starting the packing and leaving of this hotel. Aren't you excited to go home? On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you to go home?
0.
Me, probably a -2. Oh yeah, where are you gonna put the fan? We now have to wait for the stupid computer to update before it shuts down, so that we can then put it in the car and then leave. What did you say?
Boy.
Ew, you sound gross crying. Well, we're leaving a nice hotel and now we're going home to a messy and noisy apartment. Any thoughts? We've been waiting here for 10 minutes. Probably close. I don't even. 10:53. So just carry one by one thing down the stairs.
Take 5 trips.
That'll give us some exercise. We finally got the elevator. Oh my god. Oh, be careful.
Here. Ready?
Yeah. Oh my god, why'd you do it like that?
Because I won't go over.
Ew, now I'm trapped with an old guy. Why is there 4 people in here? Hey, there's no music in here.
I know, that's what I said. I didn't hear it the first time.
Oh, that's weird.
Now.
Well, we are officially on our way to home. Looks like a thunderstorm.
Power unlike any other nation on Earth.
We're still driving away from the beach.
Other people.
Oh wow. Why does this stuff happen? Whoa, it looks like it's about to storm badly.
Oh great, driving in a storm.
That looks scary.
Oh no.
It's raining.
Big ass raindrops.
Oh my god. I literally just saw lightning right like at the towers. Oh boy, we're heading into a storm. It looks kind of scary.
And we're stopped
Why are we
in
stopped?
the middle of Philadelphia. Imagine you start seeing lightning bolts. That'd be a cool video.
This looks creepy. Ew. Wow, it's getting worse. Can you even see?
Sort of. Lightning.
Yeah. Whoa. Really? Traffic? Why aren't people going?
Storm. People can't see. People are slamming on the brakes. Like that guy that cut in front of me.
This is crazy. This is so loud.
Look, their windows open.
And their windows are open. Did you think this was gonna happen when we were driving home?
No.
Crazy.
Oh.
Whoa!
Yeah, I think you got that.
I definitely got that. So yesterday, a fire started in New Jersey, in Lilewood, and it was very close to our hotel room. Today, we're stuck in traffic during a thunderstorm. Yay. How are we gonna unload all the stuff? We're gonna have to wait. There's no way we can bring up the computer like in this weather.
Oh, there's another lightning bolt right there.
Really?
It's right over there.
This is what happens when you enter PA, right?
Yep.
Yay, flash flood. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding. Well, we're trying to go home, so...
Oh no, they all got it, now they're stopping.
Ugh. Why would they stop? That's even worse, isn't it?
It won't make a difference. Worse for me because I want to go home.
The rain is getting much more...
Rainy?
Yeah. Oh my god, you can barely see. Look at this, and then look there. Look how, oh my god, look how dark it is behind us. And that's following us home. Man, look at the sky. And now we're back into the rain. Oh, we're back like this. Stuck in traffic, rain. Ugh, we're back home. Gross. I'm scared who's all gonna be home and if there's gonna be a giant group.
It didn't even rain here. Look, it's all dry.
Oh my god, it is dry here. No, it's not gonna be for long. Well, we made it home. I got my computer working. I dropped the monitor when we were coming up, so I was very worried of my monitor not working. But it does work. So yay. Do you miss Wildwood yet? You know what I miss? I miss having a clean living room and bedroom and bathroom. Here everything is just moldy and falling apart, like right there. And you're moldy and falling apart.
Yeah. I'm staying up till 9.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. The ride home was pretty crazy. I already miss Wildwood. I still can't believe we saw that fire yesterday. I mean, that could have, who knows, that could have been 10 times worse. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like if you liked the video. Subscribe if you're brand new. Subscribe to my new gaming channel. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.